Good afternoon, guys. I'm back with another video. Just update you guys about what is going on. So this is what's going on right now. It's still snowing, still nasty outside, and you can see everything right now. You can see all the cars are buried with snow. And a lot of people earlier today, a lot of people like went outside, and you see like they cleaned the parking lot, they cleaned their spot. And I did that too. My car is right on the other parking lot because this is my parking lot, but I couldn't find parking here, so I parked on the other side. So I was out, like you can see right now, they cleaned around the car, and all the work is gone, right? Just in a few moments. Blizzard's still going on. It's nasty outside. I'm not recommend to go outside because it is so nasty. So just stay at home and be safe, and make sure you have all the supplies at home. Look at it. Probably you cannot see on camera how bad outside, but this is what's going on. It's so windy right now and still snowing like crazy. And I will go outside in the afternoon, in the evening. I'll go in the evening outside and just record what's going on the other side and on the street too. A lot of cars are parking on the main street. Like they parking sideways. They parking like I don't know. Like it's not the right park, but nobody cares. Everybody want a spot. So I will update you guys soon, and just wait a video from me in soon. All right, peace out, guys. Bye.